Hello world, welcome to Java training, and in this video I am going to explain you about the nested loop. So nested loops are basically one loop inside another loop. So a for loop can be inside for loop, a while loop can be inside for loop, or a for loop can be inside while loop. So there can be any combination. It's just that when one loop is inside another loop, then it is known as nested loop. So let's take the example of nested loop using. So I have taken a nested for loop. This is known as outer loop and this is known as inner loop. So when value of I equal to 0, then for the 0 value, j will execute from 0, 1 to 3. Then again, if the value of I equal to 1, again j will basically execute 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So for each value of I, the inner loop will completely execute. Now let's see what's the output of this program. You can see that for each value of I, so this is value of I, right? The inner loop execute completely. Then again the value of I become 1, the inner loop is executing completely. Then the value of I become 2, inner loop executing completely and so on. So this is about the nested loop when there is one loop inside another loop. So for your own practice, you can try out different combination, means putting while loop inside for loop, or for loop inside while loop, or putting do while loop inside a for loop. You can try any number of combination. So this was the quick video on nested loops.